Hello and welcome to more of my trading stuff. What I'm going to do this morning is just show you how you can quickly copy the parameters you've got set up for one bot into another bot. You may need to do this when we've released a new update that has a different name. So you'll have all of your instances set up for the earlier version and you want to copy them to the new version. So in this example here, I've got my London Breakout Advanced version 1.5 and I've got two instances set up. And if I just have a look at these, you'll see they've got different parameters, they've got different instance numbers, and we want to copy these to our new London Breakout beta version. So first thing to do is to export or save the parameters that we have here. So on the first one, we do a right mouse click, we go to Save Parameters, and we can give it a name. It comes up with a default name for us of our bot name, the currency and the time frame. And I'm then going to call this instance 1, because that's the first instance I've got for it, and save that. I'll then do a right mouse click on the second one, I'll go to Save Parameters, and I'm going to call this one instance 2 to make sure that I don't overwrite the earlier version. I now can go to my new version and I'm just going to add 2 instances of GBN. I'm not going to do any other setup with those at the moment. Then on the first one, I can do a right mouse click, go to Load Parameters, and then I can call up my instance 1 and open that. It warned me that the new version has some different parameters that I don't have values for, so you would need to set those if it's applicable. For lots of the bots you won't have new parameters, so that won't be an issue. We can then go to our parameters and we can see here that it's brought in our new limits for us. On our second one again, we can do a right mouse click, we can go to Load Parameters and I'll choose my instance 2, click on Open, again I say continue to the same warning, and now if I click here I've got my instance 2 set up. So that's one quick and easy way of copying parameters between bots. Really useful when we release updated and new versions, and also if you want to share the parameters that you're using with somebody else, you can save them to your hard drive and then you can send the file to somebody else for them to load. Anyway, hope you found this useful. If you have, click on the thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and if you've got any comments, then if you comment below. Thank you for watching.